Okay, I want to show you one more time, but using a bigger dollar amount really quickly. So $7.52. So the least number of bills and coins that I could use would be a $5 bill and two $1 bills. And then 52 cents would be 2 quarters and 2 pennies. Okay, this is the least amount of dollars and bills that you could use. But you could also, instead of creating your $7 with your $5 bill and your 2 ones, you could do 7 ones. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is still $7. This amount of money here, even though it's in all ones, is the same amount of money as it is with a $5 bill and 2 $1 bills. And then your 52 cents could be 5 dimes and 2 pennies. So even though these look different, as a different number of bills and coins, it is still represented as the same amount of money.